another vlog. Today's Wednesday. Dang, I still can't find my water bottle, yo. This is my daughter's water bottle. But we're gonna do a full arm workout. So I'm gonna hit biceps, triceps, a little bit forearms. Then we're gonna hit some more shoulders, cause I think my shoulders are good now. You know, you guys watched my second vlog. I think it's gotten a lot better. So I ain't worried about it anymore. Yesterday I did a light workout at home, so it wasn't worth a vlog. Did a little bit legs, did a little bit more of like cardio. For me, like when I do like leg days, I tend to do like cardio on those days. But we just got here. It's like 8 o'clock now. So we're gonna go ahead, hit it with rise. Hit it with rise. Like I said, dude, you're looking for a pre-workout. I personally like rise, so. Do like some warm-ups. I like to do burners during warm-ups. So we're gonna go straight into 30 hammer curls and then switch over to 30 regular curls. And then after that, rest for like 30 seconds and jump right back into it again. Arms are dead, bro. Feel pumped already. So now we're gonna drop by 10. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna hit 20 hammer curls and then 20 regular curls. I don't think I'm ready. But I did say I was gonna have a good pump day today, so. Always stay hydrated, dude. 10 more seconds. All right. Let's hit this 20. Now it's very important that you get light weights because there's no way you're gonna be able to do this if you put like 30 pounds, 25 pounds. You might. You're gonna burn like hell. You're ready? Like these are burning me already. All right. Oh man. Dude. Try these out, bro. You're gonna feel the instant burn in your arms. Instant. You do 10s, 15s, fucking 12s, 5s, no matter. Something like I kind of picked up on my own because you like the burn. It's a good burn, you know. You feel burn. You want to have that good burn. Don't think that it's hurting because the more it burns, the better it is. So here we go. Woo! Woo! Bro, you have no idea. No idea how much this shit burns. Woo! Shit fucking burns, bro. But damn, it's already Wednesday. And tomorrow's Thursday. Basically, almost done with the week. Tomorrow, we're gonna go push day. Friday, you already know, leg days. Leg days. Still trying to build my legs, bro. Like, Look at this. This is my kneecap. I don't know why it looks so weird, but this is my ACL leg. Dude, I don't know why I got these, yo. You see that? Let me show you head like this. But anyways, during leg days, I haven't done any like major squats because it's only been 2 years since I torn my ACL. So I'm still trying to recover. I would say that I'm like 80%, but sometimes I still feel like pain and soreness in my surgery leg. But other than that, it feels good, you know, running around and everything. I'm still kind of hesitant when it comes to like running full speed, only because that pain is so bad, bro. Like you don't want to go through it. I don't wish it upon anybody. Like it messes you up mentally and physically. But once you overcome that, you don't have to worry much. You know, I still do like leg presses and everything. What I do have trouble on, to be honest, is like, you know, those half medicine balls or half whatever those are, and you balance and you go down. Though this leg right here shakes so much, bro. Like I look crazy. Like I'd be like, but it's getting there, getting better. I recommend if you do get surgery, if you end up tearing your ACL or need surgery, make sure you hit therapy, bro. Therapy helps. I understand you said you're gonna do it at home, but majority of the time you're not gonna do it at home. So now, so I got these off of Amazon. I think it was like 3 for like $22. I think they're pretty good. You know, you got the cut in the back, and you know sometimes you just wanna not sweat as much at the gym, so you put it on a tank top, bro. That's just how it is. Look, pumped. So we're gonna switch it up. So we did the burners already. So we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna jump into some light shoulders. See how that goes. That was 10. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 on these. You're looking for like good headphones. The Soundcore wireless. They're actually pretty nice. I got these for $45 and they've done me well. Push off, noise canceling, battery lasts pretty long. You could up your bass, whatever you need. So it's actually pretty good. Let's get this next set in. So we're on to the last set. Last set of 10, baby. All right, here we go. I drink a lot of water when I come to the gym. So we're gonna hit some more shoulders. I'm gonna start light. Nothing too heavy yet. One more. Maybe this is it right here. I almost have to get like the foreman. Get the foreman so that I'll try to look monsters. Monstrous. All right. Let's go. That was all right. Form was like way off though. Way off, dude. But that's what happens, yo. Like I said, when I hurt my shoulder, couldn't do shoulders at all. But I think I hit shoulders twice this week already. So we're gonna hit it again. See how it goes. Dude, like, my traps be looking crazy, dude. So we're gonna try this again. Hopefully get the form right. Because my form was hella ugly. Maybe it was a seat. Maybe. Alright. Let's go with these 45s. I think that was a good one. That wasn't too bad. Bro. So I think we're gonna try 65s. 45 was easy. Not easy, but it's easy to push up. So I think 65s would be good. Now I know y'all say don't eagle lift. The thing about it is I've done that before. Not eagle lift, but I put up 65. So I think my shoulder's pretty much warmed up now. So we're gonna go ahead, hit these 65 bad boys. All right. Oh yeah. Damn, these are fucking heavy, bro. All right. Think we can put it up? I'll find out, baby. Come on. Oh my God. It's heavy as fuck. Holy shit. This is what happens when I miss fucking shoulder days, bro. Exactly what happens. So you know, have to get triceps in, bro. Just have to. I call these braids. I'm gonna use these braids, bro. You know, just something light. Nothing too crazy. Dude, I don't know. Like when I do like bicep days and shit, I like to put triceps in because how are you gonna hit the front but not the back? You know what I mean? So do 3 sets of 10 on these. So see how it goes. Because if you aren't stationary, there's no point in the movements. Just like when you're swinging biceps. When you're doing biceps and you're swinging your weights, there's no point. So this is currently only 60 pounds. So we're gonna switch it up. That was just a warm-up rep. I'm gonna go to 90. Now this is where the 3 sets start, right? So 90, here we go. Remember, stationary. You want to feel that burn on your triceps, bro. again with water. I'll probably drink like 5 of these every workout, bro. Like, not even gonna lie. Usually like 4 or 5 of them. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the second set. And I see a lot of people like close or they're far. I kind of be like, I like to be like in the middle, just like this, bro. Then I stick out like one leg. I don't know for what purpose, but helps me keep my balance, bro. No lie. So like one leg like this, and then we're gonna start. Just like that, bro. So we're gonna switch it up to these bad boys. Because why not, right? So these same thing, stationary is key here, guys. Bro, like, this burn is insane. Dude, like, you have no idea, bro. One more of these. All right, here we go. You gotta feel the burn, bro. You have to. If you don't feel the burn, it's not working. It ain't working. That's 10. I think we had a good productive day, to be honest. We hit biceps, triceps, shoulders all together today. I didn't get to do forearms, but it's cool, it's whatever. We'll hit it another day. But the grind don't stop, dude. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Anything at all, you know. I'm not the greatest, but I've been through it. I was big before, and you know, I turned my life around. So, if you guys have any questions or any tips, advice, you know, I'm willing to give y'all the best of my knowledge. And if you guys have any knowledge for me, go ahead and let them in. Message me, comment my videos, whatever. But stay fit, stay healthy. Most importantly, be happy with yourself.